Day 5, she's killed yet another man. So I got to bury him. Okay.
Okay, so what we have here is plants that I grew from seed for Josh.
So cool.
These are really awesome. Josh, I don't know if you can get in from there. Right now they're not.
So good. Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Cool.
They get kind of leggy and open, and they're a beautiful flower. In warmer places they might self-seed, or you can grow them from cuttings as well. But I grew them from seed, and I don't know, in March maybe I started them under grow lights, and they'll get up to 6 feet tall, 4 to 6 feet tall. Yeah, they can get quite tall, but they're so stunning, and they look great with grasses. They look great with echinacea, like great with asters, amazing with dahlias. So if you can imagine this purple with like a peach dahlia and a dark purple leaf, it would just look amazing. Ooh. So that creates kind of like almost a tropical look. We're gonna plant them. We've got 7 of them that I grew. I'm losing my I need some new knee pads.
Get those knee pads.
So we've got 3 that we planted that we're planting in here. The tulips are starting to come up. We recognize that we have a Queen of the Night dark purple tulip coming up.
Oh, cool.
That should come up fairly soon, along with the white that we have. And then Josh was recognizing that he loves this pink color, so maybe adding in some fall phlox would also look beautiful with it. And yeah, I think I got these from Sarah Raven Seeds. But
good old Sarah Raven Seeds.
Yeah, but they look really great. So we have 3 here, and we have 4 here planted amongst the grasses. And that'll be perfect because you can kind of see through them, and they'll be open. They would also look fantastic in a planter, like create amazing height. Just be really beautiful. So
how much sun do they need?
They can do part sun or full sun conditions. So, and I've been fertilizing them once a week with a water soluble fertilizer. So probably we could continue that. One thing about verbena is they do dry out quickly. So you need to make sure they're really watered in well. Okay,
that's a note to Josh.
Yeah, and they'll tell you because they'll start wilting. They'll go.
Okay.
We're planting them about a foot apart, a little bit more than a foot apart. But Josh has got. Remember what the brothers grass this is? Is it red brothers grass or something?
Can't remember.
I can't remember. Maybe we have to look it up. But I think it would look nice amongst the.
Yeah, I can't wait to get that grass back.
It would be really beautiful. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get planting. Play-by-play on how to dig a hole.
First, you must take the hole
Still think you need a bigger shovel.
And say, you know what? That would be smart. But as a guy, what I like to do is sit in the consequences of my actions. So we're never wrong. We're just dealing with the consequences of our actions. See, look.
Pretty.
Does that look good? Is it down?
It looks so beautiful. And it will look amazing.
Okay.
When it starts growing.
I gotta pack it down a little bit, eh?
Yeah, tuck it in bed.
Tuck it in the bed. For you, lullaby and good night. One of the reasons I'm not wearing gloves is because I was hanging out with my dad, our father, and I heard, and we were picking up some stuff on Mother's Day, you know, just doing stuff for Mom in the garden.
Yeah.
And I was like, Dad, you want gloves? He's like, gloves are for wussies. Literally said gloves are for wussies.
He did not. He said that.
He did. He said gloves are for wussies. He's like, my dad never wore gloves. At 80, I finally learned this from Dad, which I thought was really funny. And so now, obviously, I can't wear gloves.
I think he might have asked me, did I wear gloves the other day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then did you
Maybe he was just testing me.
Yeah.
He was testing it to see if I was a wussy.
If you're a wussy. But to be fair, I mean, he's always asking me if I want gloves, which is maybe his way of asking me if I'm a wussy, which is flame on, Dad. Did I tell you the other day, I was just in the house and saying, because Dad, for the viewers that don't know, our dad had a separated retina, slightly detached retina, partially detached retina. So we've been taking care of him, and so he's been really feeble. And then we're doing a lot of joking through the recovery process. And I was starting to just joke around now. He's starting to feel a little bit better. I was like, oh, haha, you want to come at me? You want to come at me? Feeling like I could still take him because he's 80 and I'm 40. And then something turned in his character, which I haven't seen for like at least 15 years.
Yeah.
And he gives me one of these like he's gonna come at me. And I'd as the child in me reacted, and I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Like, even though he's 80 and I could quite literally murder him.
Yeah. But you wouldn't.
But I wouldn't, obviously. But it was insane. I was like, wow, I'm still afraid of this guy.
You still
I
got
have respect. Fear is never.
It's healthy respect.
Dad never made us fearful of him.
No.
He did make us respectful.
Healthy fear.
Healthy fear, yeah.
Got a little bit of overspray. I think we need to get Josh warned. But that's what they look like right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting three.
Yeah, I'm getting one.
And that's how it looks over there. Josh, and that's the conclusion, isn't it?
Le conclusion for the French speakers.
So that's it for today.
Au revoir.
Until the next time. Bye!
Au revoir.